Galatians 5:22. But the fruits of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. These are fruits we can show in our everyday lives. This morning, we are going to discover the fruits of the Holy Spirit through the prodigal journey, a story we are familiar with. In a distant land, a father cherished two sons, and one day the youngest son asked for his inheritance, yearning for freedom.
Look at it. How can you call this a home? That's not life. But you know what is? Life's far from here. Beyond this farm. That's where I want to be. I want to go out and explore the world. I want to see what the world has for me. So Dad, I want my share of the inheritance. Look, my son, if that is what you truly desire, to go out into the world, explore the wilderness, leave our home, it deeply saddens me. But just know that my love will always be with you. You are always welcome back home. Inheritance, my son. Take care. I love you. I never had to work a day in my life.
In the city, he squandered his wealth on reckless living, forgetting the meaning of true joy.
Wait, you can't have a party. You can't have a party. When I'm all this money. Better than the milk and farm. Let's go eat. What is that? Let's go eat. Freedom. What do you say?
Hey, yo, Fred. Shout out Apple. Let's buy some more Apple.
You want to go on it? There's more. It's this way. Anything you want. Where's my money?
What's the money for? You're broke.
What do you mean there's no money? Guys, come back! There's more, I swear! Where's all my money gone?
so did his friends. Left with nothing, he faced the harsh reality of life.
Why? Why is this happening to me? I should have never left home. They took everything from me. I should have stayed with my father. This world, they took all my money, my joy, my peace. I've got nothing left. Sir, do you have anything for me to eat? What do you want? I want food. I want nothing. Go for the job. Why? Why is this happening to me?
Take me to the king. Don't have words to breathe. My heart's torn in pieces. It's my offering.
It's a war.
Me at the throne.
No money.
Keep me there alone. To gaze upon your throne.
Miss, do you have any spare change? Please.
In his despair, he began to understand love. The love he once took for granted from his father.
I'm tired. I'm hungry. I can't live like this anymore. There's nothing here for me. Nothing but guilt and shame. I must return home. Return to my father. Even if he takes me back as a servant, I can't stay here any longer. Because at least in the day, I'll get back my joy. And over there, I'll get back the love. And over there, I'll get back the peace. And over there, I'll get back everything that this world has taken from me.
The road back home is long and steep. The prodigal son walked slowly, each step heavy with fear and hope. As he walked, he remembered the joy of home, the laughter, the warmth, and tears filled his eyes.
Father, I have sinned against you. I am no longer worthy.
When the father saw him, he filled with peace. The tumult of worry washed away, and the joy of seeing his son again.
Is that my son? Wait. Son! No, it can't be. Son! Dad! It's me! Is it you? My son! Wait a second.
Dad, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thought I could do it on my own.
My son, you were lost, and now you are found. Christ, welcome home.
The father ordered a grand feast to celebrate his son's return, a monument to his goodness and compassion.
Bring the best robe and fattened calf. We must celebrate. My son has returned.
Meanwhile, the elder brother, hearing the festivity, felt anger instead of joy.
Son, come. Look who has returned. Your brother.
Dad, you serious? You killed the fat calf for him? After all he's done to our family? How could you?
He's my son. He was lost, and now he is found. Don't you see how important this is?
Dad, important? What do you mean important? Look at him. He's wasted. He was out there enjoying the world, sinning, drinking, partying, spending our money, running our family. What about me? I was by your side the whole time, doing what's right. Yeah, he returned, and you celebrate him?
Look, son, I get it. You've always been with me. You've done right, and I appreciate it. But look, your brother, your own blood, he was in a dark, dark place. I had to show him love and grace to bring him back.
I've learned so much. All of this, and all that I've done, after all I put you through, it made me realize how much I hurt the both of you. Because man, when I was out there in the world, it gave me nothing. No joy, no peace, no kindness. So Father, I'm grateful for your forgiveness. Just show me the fruits of the Spirit, despite what I've done.
My sons, that's what love does. It forgives and rejoices when someone comes back. It's about being faithful and knowing that through it all, God was gentle with us, working through us.
It's just hard to wrap my head around it then. Like, what if I had done the same thing? Would you still love me?
Look, son, my eldest son, everything I have is yours. But your brother needed to see that the love that we have know I hurt you. But I'm sorry. I was foolish. But going forward, I promise to be better. I just want to be a part of this family again. Brother, it's fine. Give it a chance. You know what, Dad? I don't know how you feel. The love, the patience, the faith you can have in me and my brother. I just can't figure out how you do it. But I will strive to learn from you. Because of you. Brother, I forgive you. Sorry. Work. Let's celebrate this moment and remember what it means to be a family. Let's gather around the table together.
In their father's words, they began to grasp the meaning of patience, to allow oneself to feel before reacting. As the feast continued, the fruits of the Spirit flourished.
Ladies and gentlemen, parents, the moral of the story is that as parents, it is important to showcase the fruits of the Holy Spirit. We must show them as examples to be more like Christ, because our children look at us as the example. We must display the fruits of the Holy Spirit so that our children may arise, shine for Jesus. Galatians 5:22